Matthew 13:27. Proselphantes de hoi douloi tu oikodespatu, epan auto, kurie, uchi kalan sperma, esperas intoso agro, pathen un eke zizania. Jesus here continues telling the famous parable of the weeds among the wheat. And we're going to translate this first participle here as a participle of attendant circumstance, which means basically it's going to take on the flavor of whatever verb it's near. So this is an indicative verb. It will be translated as an indicative verb, and we'll have to add in the word and in our translation. So let's begin here. And the slaves or the bondservants of the master of the house, notice transparently there we have the word despotes and oikos, so master of the house, householder, landowner. So the slaves of the master of the house came or approached and said to him, Sir. Notice the vocative there of the word kurios. Kurios can mean sir, it can mean Lord. And then we have a question that begins with u or uk or uki. In this case, the emphatic uki. And when you have a rhetorical question that begins with some form of u, normally, the speaker's indicating that the answer is, well, yes, of course this is so. Whereas if they begin with may, the answer is nay, no, this isn't so. So we could translate this. Did you not sow good seed in your field? Well, yes, you did, didn't you? Did you certainly not? Let's try to bring out that uki. Did you certainly not sow good seed in your field? Whence then is it having weeds? In other words, where then did these weeds come from if you sowed good seed in your field? Let's look at this word esperas. You see that? Esperas. And we've parsed up above other forms of this, but remember this is from the word spero, spero meaning to sow. What do you see there that helps you figure that out? Well, you have an augment. Do you have an alpha sigma? Yes, this is going to be an aorist. It's an aorist active indicative, second person singular. You sowed, the uki. Did you not sow, you, singular sow, kalan sperma, good seed, in your field? Notice how we have that pronominal adjective there, so. The lexical form of that is sos. It is an adjective, which means your. We could have also done the same thing by having the possessive personal pronoun, su, to agrosu. But this is perhaps slightly more emphatic to use the pronominal adjective. And you notice as an adjective, it changes spelling to match case number and gender, the noun that it is modifying.